my car.
Which one was mine?
That one.
We're carving pumpkins. And Kai's hanging out. Oh! In her sweater. Say hi. Cutie. My cutie patoots. Working on my
Saving the seeds and baking them?
No.
Nope. Okay.
It's like a lot.
Are you eating macaroons and carving pumpkins?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Here, it's gonna need an eye.
So now you have that. Take this one and kind of like and go like up and down. Yeah, make sure you saw it. Here, spin. Yeah. Up quick up and down will work better. Yeah. Good practice. Try to use the bigger one if that helps too.
Oh, I'm nicking my pumpkin. You can't talk to me about this.
Try to use the bigger one.
Bigger one what?
This one.
Sound better?
Yeah. It's up to you, whichever one you like better.
You have pumpkin on your hands. Are you just not gonna use it? Like, is it supposed to look clean or can it look kind of messy?
Done. Hey, look.
That's cool. I like it. Did you know what you were doing when you were at the store?
Well, kind of, with the nose.
No, but I mean, did you know what you're doing in terms of like a design yet?
No.
You just figured it out here.
Let's figure it out. I didn't draw on it. Looks like it needs a hat.
It does look like it.
But it's cool, it's like,
Give him one of your caps from next door that you were supposed to donate that you never donated.
Look at this guy. Is that right? I shall call him Pinocchio. Yeah, look at him sit there. Perfect.
Alright, my guy is done. Isn't he cool?
Very.
our 3 pumpkins. Mine is this one. I did not plan well. I had a small pumpkin that I had to work with, but I think he's cute. I just wish his mouth was like a little, like everything was a little higher up. But Rob took inspiration from the pumpkin blaze that we went to. That was in a previous vlog. They had like pumpkins where the stem was the nose, so he did one like that, and then he always does Jack Skeleton every year as his carved pumpkin. So we have 3 little pumpkins that we're gonna put outside. We're gonna get some tea lights and put them outside and display them for the next few days until Halloween. And then I'm sure a squirrel will probably realistically get to them before Thanksgiving. So we'll probably just end up like tossing them after Thanksgiving, because after Halloween, our garbage goes Tuesday mornings anyway, so it kind of like works out perfectly. But they're so cute. I don't know what we're gonna do now. I really don't think it's that late. I have no idea what time it is, honestly. Oh, it's 7:30. So let me go get my phone. One sec. Okay. We have a Halloween party tomorrow night, and I want to like bring something other than alcohol because everyone always brings alcohol. And so I think we're gonna do like dessert or something. Oh, that's cool. I saved some stuff. Let's see. So we have options. We can do like a pumpkin banana bread or pumpkin s'mores cookies. These look really good and like much simpler than probably any of the other ones. There's also cinnamon sugar pumpkin donut holes. Those actually don't look that hard to make either, which is great. You wanna? Come on. This whole time you're whining because you just wanted to come sit with the humans. Huh? So we're gonna bake something for the party tomorrow night, and you guys are gonna see our costumes, which will be really fun. I'm really hoping that they come out as good as like I'm envisioning in my head. I might have Rob actually kind of help me with mine because he's actually like really good with that kind of stuff. And you are gonna be a skeleton. I'm gonna bite your ear. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so you're gonna do the peanut butter, the sugar, the pumpkin, vanilla, and egg first.
Peanut butter.
So you need half a cup of peanut butter.
Half cup peanut butter.
In the bowl. There's a, you're gonna need the spatula probably. And then you're gonna need that same half cup of the brown sugar. Honestly, they taste just like marshmallows, I think. I mean, I haven't had a marshmallow in a really long time, but.
I'll be the judge of that. Okay.
These are so sticky, oh my god.
Now what? Alright, what's next? How much?
So you have to mix that all together first.
No vanilla extract?
Yeah, I said put a little bit in.
How much?
Just, you know, just put in some.
Oh, you know, just some.
Like a teaspoon. That's good.
That's it, right?
Yeah, you know what. Alright, so basically you wanna mix that together first and have it be like, you know,
It's one of the best smells in the world.
well combined, and then we'll put in all the
Just
dry ingredients. Yeah, you do wet and then you add in the dry. You like fold in the dry.
Which one do we put on here for this?
here. These are all wet ingredients, so I would do this first. What the heck? Spin it so it locks, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have it plugged in. You pull this up. And over here.
I can help you out. I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling.
You have the oven set to 375, right?
It's more like 377, but yeah.
Okay, don't do that because you're gonna burn the bottom.
It's 375. I hate you.
You're doing good.
You're talking to me like I'm in like a kindergartner that's like sharing his blocks. You're doing great, Johnny.
Can I show you how to do it though?
What do you mean? How do you do it? Tell me.
You gotta scoop it from the inside. Watch.
Oh.
Because it's not gonna be
It's
like...
a little wet though. I didn't want to put it in there.
Alright, watch. Scoop. Get a little too much. Watch. Move.
You get a knife and you...
Exactly.
So
So if you've
Grandma
done this
Rachel
with your
taught me.
grandmother, mm-hmm.
And yeah. No.
Yeah.
Back of
You
the
gotta...
knife.
You gotta...
Go back of the knife and you go...
No, but you're supposed to... No, you have to pack it first. Why do you not let me do what when have
It's
you
already packed.
Not
I
necessarily.
packed it. I pushed against it. Look at that. It's not getting any more packed. Already packed.
Okay, and then you have to make small things like this. Okay? And then you go across. Here, you do it, because I'm doing this with like a weird angle.
Terrible angle. Let's go.
Perfect.
There you go.
There you
That's
go.
good.
I'm gonna
That's
dump that in. And then you kind of put in a half of a teaspoon of baking soda. So just a little.
Little dash. A little...
You just not listen when I speak.
Why?
As I said, press this stuff in, and you're taking a video.
Oh. Scared the shit out of me. So you got hurt.
No, I didn't. It's something.
Should we mix them with like regular chocolate chips too, or just leave them for a second?
It's up to you. What do you want to do?
It's like a mixture. How many more chocolate chips? You think this is good, or?
Yeah, and then you gotta scoop some of the marshmallow.
As we do it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna scoop it like around. I feel like this is too
Use
big.
where's the thing? Use this. Can you hold this? I'm really know how to help you. Yeah. I would do like 1, 2.
So 3 across, 3 across. Like. Wait.
We'll definitely do. I think you should do more space than that.
Yeah, so we should just do 9 then. Because it's not going to be
so then
enough.
do that. You need help. Think so.
That's good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, can you just scoop here?
Why are you going this way?
Why are you going in like that? Look how much faster you are than me.
Don't start doing that.
You're so much better than me.
You're so much. You're so lazy.
I'm not lazy.
Okay. Well, what would you describe it as then?
I'm a perfectionist and you're more perfect, so why not do it?
Fine. Morning. I'm headed to an F45 workout. It's 8:30 and my class class starts at 8:45, so I should be there on time, which is great. And it is cold. Like, I woke up to 40 degrees this morning and it's now 43. But it's definitely fall weather here in New York. But I just wanted to say good morning. I love the Saturday workout. I think it's called West Hollywood, but it's like 2 rounds and you have your own station the whole time, which, like, I like that. Just because, like, no one, it doesn't feel like your space is crowded when it's like just you. But anyway, I'm gonna head home, make a little something to eat because I'm starving. And I'm gonna bring you guys into the city with me today. We're gonna be downtown this afternoon for a fun little excursion.
What was it like dealing with an eating disorder that young? So young, and like I don't think any of us really understood it for a couple of years, but I was really restrictive, and I always say, like, I was
cold outside.
I know.
You know that it's cold outside?
Yeah. It's right. It's gonna be 60.
Did you get the mail yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh. I worked out with Keith. Ah!
With
I'm gonna
who?
break my legs with the way you do things. Keith was there. Again, I don't know why I bothered talking to you. It's like a waste of time.
My mind is so broken right now. In the morning, it's not working.
What do you mean it's not working?
It's not working this morning.
Do you want any pumpkin butter on yours?
I'll put a little bit. Splash. Not too much. You know we don't love sweet.
I literally can't. Alright, so I made oatmeal for Rob and I. He's just going to get gas, but he wanted strawberries in his. I put spirulina in mine. And then I put a little bit of like pumpkin maple butter on both of ours. And it's really good. So I already showered. I don't really feel like dressing up yet. I'm dressing up tonight. So I think I'm just gonna wear this like sweater, and then I have on these like Zara like dress pants, but they're like cozy dress pants. I really want hot coffee, but I'm too lazy to make it right now. So I think I'm just gonna ask Rob if we can stop at Starbucks on the way into Manhattan so I can get like a PSL. been feeling just like lazy this morning because I'm cold.
What's up?
What time are we leaving?
We're leaving here in 40 minutes.
So if I order Starbucks and it gets here in 30, I'm good.
I can just order it and I'll pick it up.
From what location? Do you want anything?
Hey, give me an iced Americano.
Coming
My
into
shoes.
focus.
Check my shoes out.
Your shoes. Okay, it's obviously way later. We have a Halloween party to go to, so this is my outfit. I'm gonna be Mad Hatter. I have on like a little crop top underneath this, but it's cold out, so. And yeah, happy Halloween.